guys, Willie here with Fishing Fridays. Just wanted to go over the tackle that we used out past the buoy 10. We caught every single fish on the Pro Troll silver easy chip red, green, and blue LED flashing flasher. Majority of the fish were on what we call the Nick Fernandez special, which is this pink hoochie, the white and pink Colorado 3.5 blade, and 2 hooks. The other fish were caught on very similar, starting with the pink hoochie, but the blade itself was, we call it the Purple for Days. It's a one-off that my father-in-law makes. It's purple with the yellow dot. We were fishing just above the lighthouse and in between the condos. That's where we caught the majority of our fish this particular trip. It's going to be a 3-part series, so please like, subscribe, follow us on TikTok. Appreciate everything. Fish on.